Before sending a technician, you need to collect the customer's full name, phone number, and complete address, along with a clear description of the problem, the type of equipment involved, and whether the issue is an emergency. Think of it like packing a bag before a trip. If you forget something important, you have to turn around and go back, and that wastes everyone's time and money. When someone calls about a repair, you want to ask specific questions like what brand and model the equipment is, how old it is, and what exactly is happening, like strange noises, leaks, or something not turning on at all. You also want to know if this has happened before, since repeat problems often point to a bigger issue underneath. Something a lot of people do not think about is asking about access, like whether there are pets in the home, if a gate code is needed, or if the equipment is in a tricky spot like an attic or crawl space. Getting photos or videos sent ahead of time can also save a technician a ton of guesswork before they even arrive. One common mistake is not asking enough questions up front, which sends a technician in blind without the right tools or parts, so always dig a little deeper on the phone. Another mistake is forgetting to confirm the exact address and any special instructions for parking or entry, which causes delays and frustration for both sides. People also forget to ask about the age and warranty status of the equipment, and knowing that early can completely change the repair approach and even save the customer money. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Jawbit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.